Howdy, hi everybody. Today we are making a budget-friendly supper. This dinner is going to cost about $12 in total to feed my family of 4 with leftovers. We are going to be doing this in the crock pot. I have 1 bag of these homestyle meatballs. We're just going to dump them right in the crock pot. Oh, they already smell good. They're not even cooked yet. Alright, to that we are going to add a packet of au jus gravy. This is really simple, really easy, very filling. And it's something that I love. I know my youngest boy likes it. And depending on what I put in it will depend on whether the husband likes it. Package of brown gravy right in there. And then we are going to take a pack of this beefy onion soup mix. Just 1. And we're going to dump that on the top. Alright. I have 3½ cups of warm water that I am going to dump in on top of the meatballs and the gravy mixes. All you want to do is kind of submerge your meatballs in liquid. I'm going to get a little bit more. I've got another cup of water that I'm just going to add to it. Perfect. So that's 4 cups of water. Stir it around. Make sure you're getting all of your meatballs submerged into that water, that gravy mix. We're going to pop a lid on this. We are going to turn it on high and let it go for 3 to 4 hours. And then I will show you what we do next. We'll see you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Okie dokie, guys. These have been cooking for about 3½ hours. I just cooked up some egg noodles. We're going to take and dump those in. My pot is very hot. We're just going to give those a mix with those yummy meatballs. Mix those in really, really well. And then I've got some sour cream. Got about 4 ounces, I think. If I can get it open. Yeah. Maybe 2 ounces. So what I have left is what's going to go in. Not a lot. Just a little bit. Okay, so put that in there, give it another little mixy mix, mix her up real good. And if you know us on this channel, we love cheese. So of course, there's gonna be some cheese going in this. All right, I've got about 4 ounces, half a bag of mozzarella. We're just gonna put it all in there. And then I have a bag of parmesan, if I can get it open. There we go. We're not going to put as much of this in there. Just a little bit. Handful or so. Just like that. Then we're going to give that a mixy mix. Let it get all nice and married together. All happy. All right. We are going to let this cook for maybe another 10-15 minutes. And we will show you what it looks like when we dish it all up. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Alrighty, guys. This has been sitting for a couple. We are going to get her dished up. Nice cheesy. Meatballs. Woo. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.